To sustain the Igbo language and culture through involving the younger generations, NZuko-NDIGBO Radio Program Limited has held its 2025 maiden edition of Chief Fidelis Osita Nweke Igbo Quiz Competition for secondary schools in Awka North, live on ABS Radio for the epic finals, where winners went home with over 2 million NAIRA cash prize. NZuko-NDIGBO reports.
The 8 weeks Igbo Quiz competition, which held live on ABS Radio every Tuesday, had 10 participatory secondary schools from Awka North in the preliminaries, but only 4 made it to the epic finals. CSS Mbakwe emerged overall winner and went home with first prize of 1 million NAIRA. Second prize winner, CSS Amansi, also received 700,000 NAIRA, while CSS Achala got 500,000 NAIRA third prize money, courtesy of the quiz sponsor and the CEO, Rifcon Energy and Construction Company Limited, Chief Fidelis Osita Nweke Idewubene.
I feel very excited, and honestly, I thank the person that bring out this quiz competition. I say may God highly bless him in the mighty name of Jesus. I'm very joyful, I'm very glad.
Speaking on what spurred this gesture, Chief Nweke said he saw the need to revive, promote and sustain Igbo language and culture from the grassroots.
Representing Chief Fidelis Nweke on the occasion of prize awards, we noticed that over the years that Igbo language is going into extinction, and by way of one of our community service development, we decided to look into this and see how we can revive or revitalize Igbo language so that it will be among the competing languages in the world.
The organizer and CEO NZuko-NDIGBO Radio Program Limited, NZuko-NDIGBO, in his address said the organization in its mandate promotes Igbo language culture, folklore and public service broadcasting in Igbo language, among others, to fight against the UNESCO 2006 prediction that Igbo language will go into extinct in the nearest future. Ejimofo encouraged governments, organizations, communities, and spirited individuals to support the cause and sponsor its programs to quash the prediction and bring progress to the language.
We had 10 schools in Awka North, and all of them participated. We have filtered it down through organized, well-coordinated and organized order to get to this point. Today, it's a great day in the history of our going concern, NZuko-NDIGBO Programs Limited. So I'm glad.
Thanks goes to Chief Osita Idewubene for supporting this Igbo quiz. It's not an easy task, but glory be to God. At least I want other people to emulate from him.
Guests, impressed with the organization and sponsor, urged them to keep it up, assuring lend their support to stamp the feet of Igbo language and culture across the world. In Awka, Ngozi Okekaru, NTA News.